Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, dual exhaust, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, push button start, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, beverage holders, reclining seats, side airbag system.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.